Hi everyone, Martina's here, and today we are gonna learn how to apply UJJAYI breath. It has so many benefits and it's one of the main breaths that we combine in Himalayan Kriya Yoga. Make yourself comfortable and relax. So we start inhaling through the nose and we exhale through the nose. In this way, we can create an ocean sound through our throat. And it is like fogging a mirror, but with your mouth closed. If it's your first time, it might feel a little bit uncomfortable at the beginning, but it's only a matter of practice. Now, UJJAYI breath starts from the belly and rises up until you do an exhalation to empty the belly again. In Himalayan Kriya Yoga, you can also visualize that you are breathing through your spine from the tailbone upward and back down again to inhale through the belly and exhale, empty the belly. And we're gonna add a powerful mudra with our face by putting the tip of the tongue in the roof of your palate and close your eyes, rolling them in the center of your brain. This is called Kachari Mudra, and it helps you to connect more inside of you through your third eye and your full spine. Apply them all together and keep breathing through your spine, visualizing white light rising upward and downward. You can also do rapid UJJAYI, which means that you increase your speed. Keep going for 4, 3, 2, 1, and take a big breath and release. Go back to your normal breath. You can even pause the video and stay in observation for a few moments. Thank you so much for practicing with me today and to work on yourself. So you're finally now more ready to practice with me Himalayan Kriya Yoga in the next classes. Hari Om Tat Sat.